You'll find all the ingredients in the description. Take a quiet moment to check before we start rolling the dough. I begin by making a crumble from flour and cold butter. With a knife, I chop the butter until little crumbs start to form. Then I add a pinch of salt, some vanilla sugar and a spoonful of sour cream. I knead it gently until the dough feels smooth and soft in my hands. The dough goes into a bag and rests in the fridge. 30 minutes to relax. Meanwhile, I chop some walnuts. Sometimes I use a blender when I want to save a little time. I add sugar and cinnamon to the nuts. The fragrance already feels like the holidays. I mix it all together and this becomes our warm, aromatic filling. The chilled dough is rolled into a rectangle, not too thin. It should stay flexible but hold its shape. I spread the walnut filling evenly, leaving the edges free to make rolling easier. A drizzle of honey on top, just enough to bind the flavors. Now I roll it up into a log and slowly, carefully, so the dough doesn't tear. Got a favorite twist on this dish? Share it in the comments. I brush the top with egg yolk for that golden bakery shine once it's baked. And with a fork I draw a little pattern on top. My small homely tradition. It bakes in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 50 minutes. Soon the whole house smells like a little bakery. And it's ready! Crisp on the outside, soft and nutty on the inside. Thank you for baking with me today. Click the like button if you love these calm, cozy bakes with soul.